Hello all, welcome to our channel House Plan Daily. Today we are going to see simple east facing house plan. Staircase is kept in the outside and the common toilet is there under the staircase. It's east facing house. Small parking area, portico cum parking area is there. In the size 20 feet 3 inch by 8 feet. And small sit out area 7 feet by 7 feet. So common toilet size 6 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. While entering the main door, there is a small entrance 4 feet 9 inches by 7 feet 3 inches. And in the southeast corner, there is a kitchen at the size of 11 feet by 6 feet 6 inches. Mostly, we keep kitchen in the southeast corner, which is first option. If you can't keep the kitchen in the southeast, you can go for a second option, which is northwest corner, northeast of north or west. And then we should stand facing east while cooking. So we kept stove in the east wall, east slab. So we can cook facing east side. And sink in the northeast corner of the room, so which is water area. Next to the kitchen, there is a hall in the size 16 feet 3 by 8 feet, and sofa, TV unit blocks are we kept. Next to the hall, there is a master bedroom in the size 16 feet 3 inch by 11 feet. And then dressing cum attached toilet is available. Dressing table, like dressing room is in the size 4 feet 9 inch by 4 feet. And the attached toilet in the size 11 feet by 4 feet. This is very small compact house, single floor. Doors and windows we kept in the positive sides. So if you want more plans like this, you can check out our website www.houseplansdaily.com and our store website www.houseplans.world. Also, our apps are available in the Google Play Store. House Plans and Design. This is a wallpaper app. Like this, many house floor plans, interior designs, elevation designs, images are available. You can just download images for free. You can check it out. And then house designs and plan. This is our blog website. And then plan list. This is our store website. You can directly download our product, house plans and designs files, even for free and premium. And then designers. This is ebook app. You can download and read our ebooks. So install our app and check it out. If anyone interested to learn house plan as per Vastu Shastra, you want to know how to make it as per Vastu, you can contact us. We are conducting 30 days online course, how to make Vastu house plans and how to make this skill as your business. We are teaching. After completion, you will get e-certificate. So if anyone interested, you can contact me on through WhatsApp. Our number is 99520 Or if any of your friends want to know, or if any of your friends needs house plans, you can refer our website and contact details. Please subscribe our channel and like and share videos to your friends. Thanks for watching.